Okay, this lesson I want to show you how to update records in database when I click to edit and redirect to the page edit. So we go to redirect database folder and I create a file. Edit edit.php. Yes, update guess. So I copy the style here. So I copy style. No, I copy the style from insert from .html. I copy plus. So I change the title update and edit. So in the save file, we use update guess. Okay, we go to folder directories and I click edit.php. Yes, when the page show like this, so I want to update with the guess. Okay. So we go to add, we go to input hidden field, and I input the ID, yeah, and the insert.php I refresh, yeah, I refresh with the update.php here, php code here, update. Okay, when we cause already, I want to when we click, yeah, when we click the edit from list and redirect to edit form. Okay, but there is no the value show here. How to we show the value here? This and this IDH that we call already. So I want to show the value here. We go. Okay, right now I want to. Okay, so I go to select code. Yes, I copy. Yes, we close PHP here. So I do the start command. Here we are here. So in the my guess we use where, for example, where and IDs ID ID we want to select. Yeah, we want to select from the ID here. So I add, for example, IDs and yes ID. Okay, right now we want it when we configure code like this already. We want to use, for example, I want to install the ID from rows ID. Okay, for example, I call here .php, yes, and we use equals ID, yes. Yeah, we refresh with the hidden tags to show the ID or not. So I want to refresh. Yeah, you can see the ID show here. Run now is successfully, so I want to don't show the ID. Yeah. We want to echo okay first name, email. Okay, right now we want to show the first name here. You can copy here. So I pass. We change to first name and last name pass. Last name and email. We use email. Okay, right now we refresh page again. So the value show here. For example, I want to the list page again. Yeah, I click I like Pedro. Okay, click edit and call I like Pedro. So here. Oh, sorry. Okay, when we want to use already, when I click update guest and update guest into the database. Okay, we go to page. Yeah, we have already email, last name, and the first name. So we go to the update.php again. So I reflect with the push. Copy and I change to the push. Yes, because the measured form we use with the push. So and with the email. Okay, so right now we create code already. I want to refresh. For example, Alex Pedro test. Yes, I want to Alex Pedro test. Yeah, click the update. So record updated successfully. So I want to refresh. Yes, Alex test here. If you want to redirect, we use header location and list.php. Okay, we update to the Alex Pedro. Okay, I go to the edit form, Gmail. Okay, I click the update and redirect to the list. So you can see the Pedro. Oh. You go to the see the field. Why the update to Alex Pedro? To we go to the update and the set. Okay, we refresh to email. So I click the Alex Pedro again to update. Okay, right now the records updates successfully. Yeah, if you don't want to the right code in the right code in the edit.php, we can copy here. Okay, right now I want us pass cancel info edit info.php. Yes, so right now we go to edit.php. I want to add edit info.php. Yeah, we refresh again. Yes, test. Okay, update successfully. You can create the like this. Yes, so how to update record in database? I finished this lesson. And next time I want to show you how to insert, update, delete with the advanced. We use the ajax, jquery, javascript, and HTTP request to update without a redirect page. Okay, don't forget to follow me in the next time. And especially I want to you share, like, and subscribe all on my video. Okay, say goodbye.